Thus, investment seems to be a confusing word to you, especially if you are a newbie. As an investor myself, it is my task and goal to help people to become wealthy and debt-free. That's the reason why in this episode, we are going to talk about the 7 investment rules you should never break.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinkee Tan, your Pambansang wealth coach. Maraming salamat for tuning in. And I'm pretty excited about our topic today. It's all about investment. So, let's talk about first the word called investment, and the second is the rule or the law. When you say law or rule, just like the law of gravity. The law of gravity says, what goes up must come down. Pag tumalong ka ng building, babagsak ka. It's a law. And likewise, there are rules and law in investment that you cannot break. Why? Because if you jump out of a building, as I mentioned, you will not float. That you will what? It will break your body. And likewise, when investment, ganun din po. May mga rules na hindi dapat natin i-violate. Let's go to rule number 1. Never borrow to invest. Many people believe that borrowing to invest is a smart financial move. After all, you're investing other people's money. But here are the number of reasons why borrowing money is not really a good idea. First, hindi mo mapipredict kung ano mangyayari sa investment mo kung mag-fail or succeed. Let's say if you borrow money, di ba, 100,000, tapos in-invest mo sa forex or sa crypto or let's say sa stock market, and then all of a sudden bumagsak ang market by 50%. You'll not only lose the value of your money, which is your investment, but you are also responsible for repaying the interest and the loan. Nagigets nyo? Ito ba yung masakit? Paano na kung nawala yung buong principal? Na-scam ka. Na-scam ka na, 100% wala, tapos magabayad ka pa ng interest. What? Second, even successful investment can take years to generate return. That means, alam mo, baka mas malaki pang binabayaran mo interest, di ba? Kumpara sa profit mo. At the same time, the third reason why you shouldn't borrow, because it increases your risk. Again, yung risk of not only losing the money but risk of being in financial debt and burden. That's the first reason. Kaya kung ikaw nakikinig ka, you are contemplating, gusto ko mangutang para mag-invest, borrow low and then invest high. That is not true. Number 2, rule in investment is this. The best time to invest is not in the future, but the best time to invest is now. So it's always about the present. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money can grow. Even na mag-umpisa ka kahit sa maliit. Maliit lang. Over time, it will compound. Over time, you will develop the habit of investing. Kasi nga yung pagdating nga sa pag-iipon, mga ka-Iponaryo, di ba parati ko sinasabi, mag-ipon ka rin kahit na maliit. Bakit? Sa pag-iipon din naman sa halaga ang importante. Ang importante, ma-develop mo of habit of saving. And likewise, if you develop the habit of investing, it really will work for you. So, by putting your money into investment now, you're setting up yourself for financial success down the road. And maybe some of you are asking, saan ako mag-i-invest? Ako, ang dami na pong mga financial instruments right now na talagang magaganda na kahit na 50 pesos, 100 pesos, pwede ka na mag-umpisa. Rule number 3 in investment that you should not break is this. Never allow emotions to make the decision for you when it comes to investing. Maniwala kayo. Emotions can change. It's fleeting. When you allow emotions to be your guide, most likely it will be an impulsive decision. You know what? You will make a wrong decision. Talking from experience, how many times na excited lang ako, nabulag lang ako, nag-invest ako, imbis na kumita, nalugi ako. Kaya nga, bago ka mag-invest, ask yourself whether the potential investment, number 1, is a fit for you. Number 2, you understand what you're getting into. And then, it is your appetite, no? Risk appetite. Kaya nga, importante na yun muna yung mga katanungan. And if you are not sure, please, seek out the advice of a financial advisor or an expert or your mentor. Para maiwasan natin ang pagkakamali, wala namang masama kung magtanong tayo. Do you agree? Fourth investment rule that you and I should never break. Stop trying to get rich quick. If you're looking to make your money grow in a quick and fast way, instead of making money, you will quickly lose your money. Instead of chasing after unrealistic income or gains, it's better for you to focus on solid long-term investment. Alam mo, yung mga investment na makikita mo, 6% interest per annum, 5% na per annum, this may not sound exciting, but this is more reliable, more consistent way to grow your wealth over time. Kaya importante po, no, kailangan meron po tayo pagdating sa investment naman, yung appetite risk mo, pwede kang maging conservative, moderate, and aggressive. Okay? Pwede mo namang hati-hatiin ang portfolio mo eh. Like for example, if you are a conservative person, you can invest 20% on high risk, 80% on low risk. Pag ikaw naman po ay medyo aggressive ka, you can invest 80% on high risk, 20% on low risk. So, kailangan diversified yung investment mo. And over time, if this is your approach, no, kahit na kumita ka sa iba, malugi ka sa iba, it will balance it off. So, if you are serious about growing your money, slow but sure. Slow but sure. Oo. Yan ang dapat ang motto natin. Let's go to the 5th investment rule that you should never break. Never try to chase that trend. Yan ang parating pagkakamali ng mga ibang tao. Pag nakita nilang tumataas ang stocks, tumataas yung investment, bumibili sila. And then, ang problema, pag sinabayan mo yan, that is the time that people, yung maraming mga stocks, maraming mga shares, they are the ones selling. So, as you can see, quickly it goes up and then you hold on to it and then it suddenly drops in price. Ikaw naiipit. The truth is that trends in the market are often short-lived. By the time most of the investors realize what's happening, it's too late. Nagbentahan na yung mga big fish, ikaw naipit. Kaya nga ito lang ang sabihin ko sa inyo. Mag-research kayo bago kayo mag-invest sa company. Check nyo yung fundamentals nila kung solid ba o hindi. This may not always lead to big profits, but it's a reliable to build long-term gain. Number 6 rule, investment rule that you should never break. Do your own research before investing. Yan ang narinig nyo, DYOR, D-Y-O-R. Dapat talaga mag-research muna. Particularly important when it comes to investing stocks, in crypto, di ba, mga new projects, kailangan alamin nyo muna. Pag hindi nyo naintindihan, okay, please don't get into it. Nako. Imbis na kumita, nalulugi pa. And then once you have already good understanding how it works, at the same time, it's based on your risk appetite, diba? That's the time that you invest. And once you invest, let me offer you an unsolicited advice. Make sure, if this is a trial project, invest only the money that you can afford to lose. Just in case you lose everything, you won't lose sleep. Okay? Before I go to number 7, let me do a roll call again of 1 to 6. Number 1, investment rule that you should never break, never borrow to invest. Number 2, the best time to invest is not tomorrow but now. Number 3, never allow emotions to invest for you. Number 4, stop trying to get rich quick. Number 5, never chase the trend. Anong uso? Number 6, do your research before investing. And number 7, investment rule that you should never break, keep track of your portfolio. Any successful investor knows that it is important for them to keep their portfolio. Alam po nila yung portfolio nila. Alam po nila kung paano nila babalansehin ang portfolio nila. As I mentioned a moment ago, if you are a conservative type of an investor, do 20-80. 20 on high, 80 on low. If you're moderate, 50-50. If you are aggressive, 80-20. 80 on high, 20 on low. So that's how you invest according to your risk appetite. And not only that, pag nag-i-invest po kayo, syempre diversify. Ang ibig sabihin po, diversification. Meron kayo sa hard asset, meron kayo sa paper asset, meron kayo sa business asset. No? When you say hard asset po, yan yung mga properties, rental, or if not naman, you want to sell in the near future. Paper assets naman, mutual fund, UITF, pag-ibig, di ba? Or any other investment. And then, syempre naman, yung tinatawag nating business asset or business when you have existing business that you can use. So, my friends, if you have made it so far, it means say you are already learning the basics about investing. And there's so much more and so much work to do. That's the reason why if you really want to learn, kung seryoso talaga kayo to learn about investment, We have already designed courses that can help you to master the art of investing. So if you want to learn more, especially when it comes to crypto and stock market, all you need to do is just go to chinktv.com. That's CHINKTV.com. Search nyo na lang po yung Sana All May Investment. Sana All May Investment, or just DM me on my Instagram and I'll send you a link. My Instagram channel is Chinkee Tan. Send me a DM and then sabi mo Sana All. Sana All, type Sana All and I will send you a link. I hope that I have enlightened you and educated you about the 7 investment rules that you should never break. As I always say, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive. Bye.